Come test drive the 2025 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, compass, gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.